And a big wow on Wall Street. At one point today, the Dow rose more than 200 points, the biggest jump since March. Here is a look at the closing numbers. The Dow ending the day, as we said, up to almost 287. The NASDAQ 66. The S&P 500 29.63. Joining us to talk about this, Certified Financial Planner Joe Bert. Joe, thanks for coming in.
Sure, Sonny.
All right, so we had a really bad end of the week last week, Joe. Today, the strongest day of 2012. What do you attribute that to?
Well, I think it's what you might call a relief rally. If you look back at what happened Friday when the jobs numbers came out, things were bad, and then things have improved. Mario Draghi came out, the president of the European Central Bank came out today, said he's prepared to do what it takes. And I think, frankly, there was a little bit of a carryover from last night's election in Wisconsin.
Yeah, I was going to ask you what you thought, Joe, if any impact that may have had on today's numbers.
I think it has had some psychological impact. I think the country is looking for perhaps a change in leadership, and I think what happened in Wisconsin might portend that. And, of course, what happened with the Mario Draghi coming out today, and the beige book came out. The Fed came out with their beige book, said jobs are looking pretty good, real estate looks like it's being stabilized, manufacturing output is increasing. So overall, it wasn't a bad day, and you can see what happened.
Yeah, and it's surprising, too. We had the really bad jobs report come out I think it was just last week, too. So, after a string of a few bad days, good to know that, hey, at least things can bounce back fairly quickly.
Well, it's exactly why you don't want to let emotions get involved. And easily after Friday's numbers came out and think about it all weekend, I'm sure there's some people that ran to the sidelines. When you run to the sidelines, you miss out a great day like this. And frankly, today was the best day we've had all year.
Great. All right, Certified Financial Planner and Oracle of Orlando, Joe Bert. Thank you.
You're welcome.